Hey everyone, it is Susan here. How are you? So I wanted to pop on today, kind of give an update on things as far as this YouTube channel goes. So I have been doing a lot of research on YouTube to find out different ways to get more traffic on my channel. So I have a lot of ideas and I have a plan. I do have a plan. Um, so over the next week or two, I'm sure it'll be for forever, but I'm making some more major changes over the next week or two. So for example, and this might show up backwards, not sure, but so this is my new banner on here on my YouTube channel. So you'll be able to see this banner now, and I'm still working on it. It was the first one that I tried and it was fun and all this stuff. But I also want to change the way I do thumbnails. So that means, when somebody sees my my little, the little picture that you see, when you're going through all of your, your new, your more recent videos that have gone live. Yeah, so I want to figure that out too, and just so I'm learning, more about using Canva, and I am learning, I don't know, just fun stuff. So I like to use, not that I've used it a lot, but I used software called GIMP. And so I'm fooling around with that a little bit more than I ever have. And I don't know, I'm just kind of having fun with it. So I will be back. That is my point. I will be back. I installed this other software that kind of helps me do my tags on my videos, so as people search, they'll find my videos. They'll come up more often. So stuff like that. I'm just, again, doing a lot of research. And you see I'm over to the side of my screen because, well, I just wanted to share some of my watercolors with all of you because they are a lot more fun to look at than I am. So anyway, so that's it. I haven't made a new video in probably about 3 weeks. So, but you know what? It has given me time to just think about things and what do I want to do. And now that I have formulated a plan, I just need to keep moving forward with, implementing it. And again, I've taken a few steps so far, but the first one that you'll actually see is that new banner. So in fact, and I find this interesting, I'm learning as I'm going along. So the new banner, if you're on a computer, you will now see that you can click and go to one of my 2 Facebook groups just by clicking on it. Who knew that you could even do that? But I learned that like yesterday, last night. But I have 2 Facebook icons. One is for my watercolor Facebook group. It's a very small group, and we're just all learning together, and it's a lot of fun. And I do Facebook Lives over there. And yeah, so it's a lot of fun. And then the second Facebook link is for my December daily group, which is right now a little bit quiet. But it, starting, well, it'll pick up actually in July because Christmas in July. So, but anyways, so, and then there's my Instagram link as well, so that you can find me over on Instagram, because I do post photos over there of my watercolor paintings that you don't see here on YouTube. So, but I only see those icons on a computer, so I don't see it on a phone or a tablet. I don't know. I thought you would, but apparently you don't. So I'm learning. So anyway, so hang in there with me. And again, you might see things be changing a little bit, you know, and I'll probably change something once and then twice and then 3 times, maybe 4 times. I don't know. So, well, I'll figure it out, but it'll be fun. But I'm definitely getting, you know, I'm sticking with the watercolor videos as well as the memory keeping videos as I work in my albums. And I hope that you come on the journey with me. All right. I love you all. Thank you so much. And say hi to me. Let me know what you think. Yeah, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you know, and I never say that, but hit that little notification, that little bell, so you get notified. I don't know, everybody says it, so I figured I would too. And definitely leave me a comment. All right, love you guys. Bye.